One of the things that lawyers pretty consistently complain about is that in Atlanta Municipal Court, they just don't know what the process is going to be. They say that things change periodically and they don't have any notice of that. That may have been the case years ago, but it is no longer the case now. There's a fairly standardized process that every lawyer who regularly practices in Atlanta Municipal Court should know that their case is going to follow. There are three primary types of dates. There's your first, your arraignment date. There's second, your inquiry date. And third, there's your final plea date. It's the goal of the court to resolve each case there, as long as it's proceeding in Atlanta Municipal Court, within 6 months from the date of arrest. So within 6 months from the date of arrest, you should either have a plea, a bench trial, or a bind over that case. And really and truly, pretty consistently, almost every case that goes through there is being resolved within 6 months. That's not the court's policy. That's just a recommendation that was made by national institutions that are talking about municipal courts and how quickly cases should be resolved in municipal courts. So the court's just simply trying to follow that recommendation of the National Judicial College. So when we're going through those different types of court dates in Atlanta Municipal Court, your first court date, the arraignment, typically can be handled by a lawyer if your lawyer has filed the waiver of arraignment and an entry of appearance without you having to appear there. So the lawyer can appear there without you having to go for the initial court appearance after your arrest in Atlanta Municipal Court if they simply follow the standardized steps that have been set forward by the court. Your second court date is what's called the inquiry date. Really what an inquiry date is, it's just a status check to see, are things progressing in the way that they should be? Your lawyer should have filed motions, they should be getting discovery responses from the state, and the court's trying to follow up with the state to make sure that they're giving you the things that you're supposed to get in order to evaluate the DUI charge. Your third type of date is the final plea date. That is the one date that you are expected to be there. So unless your appearance is waived by the court, then your lawyer needs to appear with you on your final plea date. If you have any questions about the process that exists in Atlanta Municipal Court or what's going to happen in your DUI case there, feel free to call me. My name is Ben Sessions. My office number is 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. Thank you.